So, welcome to my channel. Today, me and my family, we are here in the countryside. That is my grandma house. And we are going to the waterfall. So I'm going to show you a little of Brazil, how it's like in the countryside, not in Rio or São Paulo. So I hope you guys join me. I already have a channel, but I decided to create this new channel to improve my English. This city that we are, I'm gonna put all the information on the description below, but it's really a historical city. There is a famous writer from this city called Cora Coralina, and she wrote a lot of poems and books in general. So there is even a road of Cora Coralina that she used it to walk when she was alive, and there are a lot of historical sites because of her. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how is Brazil outside of Brazil that you guys mostly know. I hope that I don't make a lot of mistakes in English because I forgot a lot of my English. I was living in Korea for about 2 years, and when I arrived there, my English was not too good as it used to be because I didn't practice at all in my city. So now that I'm planning to go to this world again, I think I need my English back, so that's why I'm studying and improving my English. It's been almost 10 years that I don't come to this city, and it's so nice because I spent most of my childhood here. So it is really good to come back and just see whatever changed. And surprisingly, it didn't change at all. It didn't change at all. So it's good.
It started raining as expected, and we decided to wait here, and I'm gonna read my book that I brought. It's a classic I read when I was a kid, but in Portuguese, so I'm gonna read again in English. Sun came out. I knew it. Thank God.
If I show up, will you show me rental? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be far.
And you need to come prepared because it's a quite long hiking, and I'm not prepared physically, neither with proper sneakers, so we need to be very careful. Now I don't know if you guys can hear me, there's a mosquito here, but I really want to dive in because I don't know what happened. I think God heard my prayers because it's sunny now, and I really want to go in. I'm happy.
Days gone by, all the real good life to it up just in time. And if I show up, will you show me right up? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl.
After lunch, just rest because I want to go to the swimming pool. I didn't go yet. I went to the waterfall. Was really gorgeous. Was really beautiful there. And now I'm just gonna want to rest here because it seems so good now that the rain stopped. And keep going, keep reading my book, and maybe sleep if I can sleep here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoying this Brazil vlog.
Like you, met a girl like you, could be falling in love with just about anyone.
And people live in these pretty houses. My mom's relative used to live here. It's so pretty.
I walk all the way.
These houses here really reminds me Lisbon. I've been there twice and I really think it's kind of Europe style. So pretty. Tomorrow we are going to a nearby city called Pirinópolis. There will be more, and I think it will be better to record there because here it's just a feel, and I think there is more pretty, not more pretty, but there are a lot of different types, different colors and architecture of houses. And I want to show you there because there are a lot of cute cafes. That this city there is no cafe. It's so mind-blowing, and I was thinking, maybe I can open a cafe here, but I don't think that people here is use it to go to cafes and talk to each other, you know. It's more like, let's go, come to my home. So I don't think I will get money here anyway. So see you guys tomorrow because today I'm just gonna rest, take a shower, read the rest of my book, and then I meet you guys tomorrow in this new city.
From the river mouth down to the bay, and above me were some birds. They're dying.